Are you looking for an article or maybe a streaming video? Then select Articles and E-Information from the library's main page. ProQuest, EBSCO, and JSTOR are some of the popular databases we have at Medaille College. ProQuest and EBSCO are good places for students who are in those lower level 100 courses to use for their research. They each cover a wide variety of topics, and they also include articles from a variety of sources, from newspapers, magazines, trade journals, and also some academic journals. JSTOR is a database that covers the social sciences, so topics like history, art, literature. And JSTOR is an academic database, so it's going to index articles from peer-reviewed journals and also academic ebooks. So this would be more appropriate for students in the upper level courses to use in their research. There's an option to also search by a subject or a database by a specific subject. You can choose a topic area from this list, and that will bring you to a library guide that will indicate recommended databases to use to search on that particular topic. There's also an option to search a database by a specific title. If you are wondering if Medaille has the Medline database, you could choose that from the alphabetical list, and in this case it's indicating that yes, we do have access to Medline, to that database. There is another option to search a journal by a title, or to see if we have access to a specific journal by the title. Searching the full text finder, you can type in that journal title, and then that will indicate whether we have access to that in one of our subscription databases. Just a reminder that anytime you click on any of our links to our databases, you will be prompted to type in your Medaille 1 username and password. If you run into problems or if you have a question, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact a librarian. We are here for you, and we would love to help you.